Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Naveshriyan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the arrays in Java. Introduction to arrays in Java. Arrays in Java that are used to store a multiple values of same data type. Arrays have a fixed size that is defined when the array is created. Elements in an array are accessed using their index starting from the 0. Declaring and initializing the arrays. To declare an arrays in Java, you specify the data type of elements of the following by square brackets and the array name. Arrays can be initialized using an array literal where the elements are enclosed within curly brackets. Arrays can also be initialized using the new keyword specifying the size of the array. Accessing elements in arrays. Elements in array are accessed using their index within the square brackets. Arrays indexes start from the 0, meaning the first element in an array has an index of 0. Trying to access an element at an index behind the arrays bounds will result in an array index out of bounds. You can able to observe in the diagram accessing array elements. To access an array elements, just write array name and in a square bracket you have to write the which index. So the representation of array it is in a linear type. So you can able to observe that the indexes are namely given from starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. Accessing the first element of an array is array of 0. Accessing of the second of element of an array is array of square bracket 1. Accessing of third element will be like array of square bracket 2. Array length and bounds. The length of an array can be obtained using the length property of an array. So the length of an array it is fixed and cannot be changed once the array is created. Arrays in Java are a zero indexed, meaning the last element in an array of the length has an index of a n minus 1. Iterating through arrays. Arrays can be iterated through using loops such as for loops or enhanced for loops. The enhanced for loop providing a more concise way to iterate through an array known as a for each loop. Iterating through an array allows you to access and process each element in an array sequentially. Multidimensional arrays. Java supports multidimensional arrays, which are arrays of arrays. Multidimensional arrays can be created within a multiple square brackets to specify the dimensions. Elements in multidimensional arrays are accessed using multiple indexes corresponding to the each dimension. Here in the diagram you can able to observe the multidimensional arrays in Java. It is represented as a 2D array. Passing arrays to the methods. Arrays can be passed as arguments to methods in Java. When an array is passed to a method, the method receives a reference to the array, allowing it to modify array's content. Changes made to an array within a method are reflected in the original array outside the method. Returning array from the methods. Methods in Java can also return array as their results. When the method returns as array, it is a returning a reference to the array, not a copy of the array. The returned array can be assigned to a variable and used like any other array. So arrays versus array list. Arrays have a fixed size while array list in Java can dynamically resize. Array list provide additional methods for adding, removing and manipulating elements compared to the arrays. Arrays are more efficient in terms of memory and performance for simple storage of fixed size elements. Sorting arrays. Arrays in Java can be sorted using the arrays class form of the java.util package. The arrays class provides a sort method that uses the quicksort algorithm to sort the elements in ascending order. Sorting arrays is useful for organizing elements in a specific order for easier access and processing. Searching arrays. Arrays in Java can be searched using algorithms such as linear search or binary search. A linear search it involves the iterating through the array sequentially to find the specific element. Binary search is more efficient for the sorted arrays as it divides the arrays in half to quickly find the target element. Java provides methods in the array classes for copying arrays such as copyof and the copyof range. The copyof method creates a new array with a specified length and copies elements from the original array. The copyof range method allows you to copy a specific range of elements from the original array. Array manipulation. Arrays in Java can be manipulated by the adding, removing, or updating elements. To add elements to an array, you can create a new array with the larger size and copy the elements from the original array. To remove elements from an array, you can create a new array with a smaller size and exclude the elements to be removed. Common mistakes with arrays. A common mistakes with array includes the accessing elements outside the array's bounds leading to the array index out of bounds exceptions. Forgetting to initialize an array before the accessing its elements can result in a null pointer exception. Incorrectly passing arrays to methods or returning arrays from methods can lead to unexpected behavior. Best practice for using arrays. Initializing arrays with the default values to avoid null pointer exceptions. Use the length properly to iterate through arrays instead of hard coding the array size. Be mindful of arrays bounds and ensures that the index values are within the arrays boundaries. Applications of arrays. Arrays are commonly used in algorithms and data structures to store and manipulate a collection of elements. So arrays are used to sorting and search algorithms, dynamic programming, and graph traversal algorithms. Arrays are also used in the applications such as games, simulation, and scientific computing for efficient data storage and processing. Performance consideration for array. Array in Java it offers the efficient memory storage and access compared to other data structure. Accessing elements in an array by index has a constant time complexity of 0 of 1. When working with the large data sets, using an arrays can improve the performance due to their contiguous memory allocation. So the conclusion part of this arrays are a fundamental data structure in Java for storing and manipulating collection of the elements. Understanding how to declare, initialize, access and manipulate arrays is essential for the Java programming. By following a best practices and considering a best performance implications, so you can effectively utilize arrays in your Java application. Thank you.